Oh, perfect. Alright, so wanna tell us your name and what you do for a living?
My name's Elle, but people usually call me Twinkle Toes. And I know this is gonna sound really weird, but it's true. I sell foot pictures online.
My grandmother actually used to own a nail salon, so throughout my childhood I grew up wanting to help out. I think that is why I'm so comfortable with my feet and willing to showcase them. However, I didn't start selling pictures until after I had my surgery on my foot. I thought it would be a good way to regain my confidence. Making my foot social media was surprisingly easy. People mostly find and contact me through hashtags, but once in a while I will put an ad on Craigslist. I've never encountered a non-serious inquiry. However, sometimes men will message me asking me for more, to which I am definitely not interested. My pricing typically ranges for $40 a picture and $80 for a video and or special requests. These can include polished colors, jewelry, and shoes. When I moved into school, I wanted to make sure I had a space where my photos looked aesthetically pleasing. I take this very seriously. So I bought these twinkle lights, some candles, and this fur cover for my ottoman. I like to spend the money I get on shoes because some of my customers really love to see my feet in cute shoes. The upkeep of my feet is the hardest part, I would say. I have to spend about 20 minutes a day exfoliating, moisturizing, and polishing my feet and toes to make sure they always look their best. I haven't been making as much money as I normally do the past 3 weeks because I had a procedure done on my heel. So I have been cropping my photos to keep the stitches out of the shot, but I make do. When I walk around campus, I can tell that people are staring at my feet, and that's okay with me. I just hope one day we can all be confident enough to showcase something about ourselves that we never have before. My parents actually don't know about what I do, but I think they would be really disappointed in me. But I mean, it's just my feet, so I don't think I'm causing any harm, and I have a lot of fun doing it.